Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys have a nice day, guys. And in this video, I will show you how to send a text message. By the way, this is D486. I love this phone because first it gives me a nostalgic vibe, and also I love the way messaging in this phone. Like you can set up it in QT girly things like that. So yeah, so let's start. So here, as you can see, the messaging, you can touch it in screen, and also you can use the keypad. And also there is a shortcut key right here, so just click it and voila, you will see your messages. Okay, now we will compose a new message, and you can type the contact that you want to send a message. This number is a dummy phone number, and also you can choose contacts, any contacts and contact button like that, and also you can direct and call logs. Okay, now so we will make a message, but before that I will show you the uh, the button below. Yeah, as you can see, there is many button right there. So first the letter A, small letter, and second for the caps lock, third is phone number, and fourth is for Korean, and lastly the heart button, which you can see there is a space button, exclamation point, comma, and etc. And also you can touch it, so you need to use the keypad. So there is also an emoji right there, an old kind of emoji, so you can use the keypad again if you would put. Okay, like for example, you want the number 6, just click the number 6 emoji, just click this number 6 emoji. Yeah, that's the way you type a message. And then this button is for delete. Okay, so now I'm gonna type a message. Hi there. So the 0 and 1 shortcut key of period, comma, exclamation point, and also question mark, and for 1 is at, like that, and etc. So you can use it. Okay, now the space button is right here. It's not the 0 button, but the one with the sticker. Yeah, so hi there. And also there is a, if you want emoticon like we used now, just click the screen and voila, it will show another typing message on screen. So you can use that. And also for emoji, just click this one, the happy emoticon, smiley emoticon, and then there are a lot of emojis that you can choose. Okay, I just want to use this smiley one and the one with the kiss emoticon. Yeah. Okay, we will send it. And there you go. That's how we send a message. So now, let's click this three dots, and I will like. If you want, what as I said a while ago, I love it because of messages, because you can change the theme. So like that, um, you can choose theme that you want, but I prefer the last one, so you can choose a gallery. By the way, I downloaded it from Pinterest, and I like this one, so I will use it. And also the bubble, you can change what you want, but for me the cutest thing is this one. So yeah, but we will try the other. So yeah, that's the way to change the theme for the messages, for messaging. Then next is a quick message. It has also a quick message. Okay, and next is insert smiley. So you can use you can also use this one, like for example of this, and then voila, I really love it. I like it. Next is you can also schedule the sending a text message and etc. Of course, you can also attach a file, a picture, audio, video, location, contact, schedule, slides in this form. So yeah. So I hope it helped you, and I hope you like and enjoy my video. So thanks for watching. God bless you all. Have a nice day, y'all. Bye.